Oh. Here we are at, where are we? Cozumel. Alright. That's in what? Mexico? Mexico. Alright. Got our Mexico look on, you know what I'm saying?
Or not.
What you mean?
Me.
Dead 8.
You look a hot mess. Damn, something smells good. Is that pussy? Is that what I smell? No, if you smell it, it ain't good, right? So yeah, must be food then. He said you're forbidden to.
Didn't tell you why.
Oh.
Bigger than the one we went on last time.
What?
It's got the amphitheater and stuff.
Why you say it's bigger?
Than the first one. Not this, not than, it's like one. This and the aqua theater. I was thinking it was more like our first one size.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Bigger than Independence.
Freedom and Independence, yeah. Shall we go shore?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What happened to your shoes?
I didn't. Got my towel.